Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's burger video update for Sunday 17th of July. Alright, so we've seen burger making some incredible move for the past few days and it's been amazing. I don't know if you've been holding burger for a long time now. I was given this technical targets a very long time ago, so this was a point where I was talking about burger in the previous videos. I used to do actually technical analysis on burger. So what I'm going to say is give you one refresher at the moment, and I'm just going to dive into maybe the weekly time frame to take you back to the story of where this coin really was. And as far as I see things, burger might be on a big resistance at the moment. So there was this descending triangle on a weekly time frame, right? So that was a descending triangle right over there, and you've pretty much come to that resistance at the moment, and you've met that resistance. And I used to tell people that back in the days, burger is looking to actually drop, and it was going to drop down to this level, which is going to be 0.935. Got a little bit even more extended to the downside as well. And now you're really actually back up. So if you look at it on a weekly time frame at the moment, that's the descending triangle resistance that you've actually met. So number one. Number two is actually, if you're diving into the daily time frame, we have a bearish continuation pattern. And for that one, I'm just going to do Google very quickly and talk about the three black crows. So three black crows right over there. Right, so if I turn on the images right here, you do have three black crows. Now this means that the downtrend is going to continue. So whenever you see that, it's going to go down. Something like this. What else can I show you? Which example? Maybe this image can actually tell you the idea of what's going to happen next. So you do have those three red candles and the one green candle, but it actually continues to fall even way more. Something like this one again. Wherever you see those three candles, it actually means that it's not a time to buy. It's actually a time to pretty much sell the coin. So it's actually confirmed, so there's no any doubt about it. So the only way to invalidate this level is actually if you do come up here again and break 3.2 level and try to move higher, then you're good to go with burger. Then you're going to see burger actually moving to the upside again. So the thing is, I want to see if there's any bear flag as well on the 4-hour time frame. Who knows, we can actually be on the verge of making a bear flag, which pretty much seems the scenario. The bear flag can actually happen. So what I'm going to say about it is that this could be a big whooping 4-hour time frame bear flag, and you're looking for burger to actually make a drop from there to there, and you actually are looking to break out of the bear flag, which we haven't done it just yet, but it's actually going to come down here to nearly $0.964. So come down, move like this, backtest and fail, and then boom, you're good to go to the downside here. The only way to actually be bullish again is to break the three black crows, come up here, break the high, hold the high, you're good to go to the upside. And that's it for this burger update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.